Hi guys, another Lazada haul, and this is from Tayuman Street, Tondo, Manila. Let's check this out. In-out ko to nung December 8 pa. Anong order to? Parang di ko magets, pero sige, let's check it out. Hindi ko alam kung ano to guys. So dinami-dami naman ng in-out-out ko. Check muna natin kung anong na-out ko. Let's check it out, guys. Yan. Check natin. Anong in-out ko for review. Hindi. To receive. Hindi, to receive yun. Ibig sabihin, darating pa lang. Okay, ito to. I don't know. Let's check it out. Sabi na, ito na nga yun. I got this for... I got Rosmar Kagayoko Vanilla Condensed Soap, Citrus Bubblegum Bleaching Whip, and a Fair Skin Premium Brightening Sunscreen, Tinted Sunscreen, Brightening Set Sunscreen. Fairy Skin ang pangalan niya. This is from Trending Beauty. I got this for 217.50 pesos. 0.50. Tingnan natin. Actually, naramdaman ko na to nung kinuha ko nga. Hinawakan ko. Pero medyo weird lang yung pagka-packaging. Kasi hindi ko na-expect na ganito to. Kasi syempre, ayan, may palibre nga. May palibre nga. Tingnan natin. Hindi naman to sa yung TikTok. Sa to? Sa Lazada. Nung 12/12 to. Pero nakalagay December 8 ang order date. Hindi ko naintindihan. Kailan ba ako nag-order? Check natin, guys. Nag-order ako noong... Balikan kita. Yan. Paid by cash on delivery. You can return, refund, or confirm receipt until January 12. December 13 package has been delivered. So, kanina nga dumating. Yan ang order ko. Rosmar Kagayoko. Curious kasi ako kung ano to. Kung ano yung effect ng mga ano na yan. Tapos, ito pa. Dalawa siya. Because this is just for 27 pesos isa, and this is 27 pesos for 70 grams. So, dalawa ang kuha ko.
Ang dating vice-gobernador na Batangas na si Vicky Recto, natagpuan daw siyang may...
natin si Mel Chang kumaingay. Tapos, ayan, may palibre. Hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng soap to. Pero, thank you sa Trading Beauty. Trading Beauty. This is naman free. And I got this Fairy Skin Premium Brightening Sunscreen. Tinted Sunscreen Brightening. And this is Mild Kit. Freebies. SPO Soft. Also freebies nga itong tatlo na to. Original. So, this is 179 pesos. Ayan, naka-sealed naman siya. Tanggalin natin ang sealed. Guys. Fairy Skin ang nakalagay sa ano. Tingnan natin. Water pala guys, ininom ko. Tsaka, inom kami nitong milk tea from yung Thailandese milk tea. Ayan, hindi pala yung squeeze. Iniikot pala. Amay natin. So, dito natin, i-swatch natin, guys. May pa-swatch. Ayan. Ganyan siya. Oh, okay naman. Amoy, hindi ko alam. Pero, it's nice naman. Wala siyang amoy. Hindi ko alam kung legit siya, pero sana naman legit. October 2024 ang expiration. Nakalagay dito, using a two-finger method, put 2 strips of sunscreen on your middle finger and index finger. Then apply literally on your face and neck. Reapply every 2 hours. Every 2 hours. So, pwede ko siyang gamitin ipang patong na lang. Not so ordinary sunscreen, more than just another sun protection, but dewy, soft, and radiant-looking Korean glass skin finish. Sa bagay. May point nga naman sila. Sige, ito. So, this is SPF 50 PA+++ Premium Brightening Sunscreen. Yan. Na-curious kasi ako dito sa fairy skin na to. Sa mga actually meron din sa V-Line, kaya lang matagal dumating. So, kinuha ko to. Tapos, ito i-try natin. Ito naman is kay Rosmar. Na-curious kasi ako kasi madaming nagre-rave dito. Yan, glutathione, collagen, and alpha-arbutin. Bleaching whip soap. Scar remover. 10 times instant whitening daw. So, sabi dito, direction. Use morning and night. Lather the soap and massage on face, body. Leave for 3 minutes then rinse off with lukewarm water. Yun. Tapos, external use only daw. Tapos, expiration date, November 2024. Ang ingredients naman niya, guys, is pure coconut oil, titanium dioxide, aqua, which is the H2O, of course, sodium hydroxide, glycerin, collagen, L-glutathione, D-alpha-arbutin, vitamin A, C, niacinamide, rosehip oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, sunflower oil, lactic acid, fragrance, and colorant. Ayan ang ingredients. Manufactured by Rosmar Consumer Goods Trading. Yan, Rosmar lang malakas, sabi. FDA approved daw to. So, ayan guys. Try natin to mamayang gabi. Try natin. Tingnan natin. Tsaka ito. And this, I got this for 27 pesos. Dalawa siya. And then 170 for this one. Shipping is 49.50. So, I paid for it 217.50 centavos. Place ako ng order nung 8. Tapos, na-deliver nung 13. Tagal na pala nitong order ko. I know. Place ako ng out for delivery ng 12. Kasi nga, 12 ko to in-out. Ayan. Thank you very much. Trading Beauty. In TikTok. In Lazada. Ayan. Tingnan nyo guys. Trading Beauty. Hindi makita. Ayan. Ayan, oh. Ayan, para makita nyo ng buo. Trading Beauty. Diyan ako nag-order. Madami naman silang mga anik-anik pa, pero yun lang yung natripan ko. So, gora lang. Thank you very much for joining my #1 Lazada 12.12 Lazada haul. Thank you.